This Asian tofu salad is full of deliciousness and is made with lots of flavors and beautiful fresh veggies. The tofu is marinated in strong aromatic sauces, and the combination of all these makes a scrumptious healthy meal. It's quite a simple recipe and quick to prepare. Hi guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Asian tofu salad. For that I'm going to start by marinating my tofu. I have 100 grams of tofu which I've cut in cubes. I'm adding a quarter cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm gently going to toss the tofu. My tofu is now coated with all the ingredients. I'm going to allow it to marinate for about half an hour. Now in a large mixing bowl, add 1 carrot julienne, 1 small cucumber julienne, 2 spring onions chopped, 2 teaspoons of chopped coriander, and 4 tablespoons of green gram sprouts. Now add the marinated tofu. Gently toss the salad. I'm now going to transfer the salad to a serving bowl. Top with sesame seeds and some roasted peanuts. My beautiful and colorful Asian tofu salad is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.